In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can quickly integrate social media content into your production using Buzz, the new product from Pixel Power, which allows you to quickly and easily take content from your audience and immediately turn it into on-screen graphics, all from a single, easy-to-use application. The first thing I'd like to show you is how quickly we can search Twitter for recent content and then send the tweets which we find straight to air. To begin with, I've opened the Buzz application and I'm going to type in the text that I'd like to find and then run the search. The Buzz application can run on any PC or laptop with a network connection. It doesn't need to be running on the Pixel Power graphics system itself. Now we're able to review these results and select any tweets which are potentially suitable to use on air without actually committing to using them at this stage. This is just the first part of the moderation process. As I find messages which I'd like to use, I just click on the green check mark and that sends them to the playout queue, and I can carry on and work through the list of other tweets. Now that I have a handful of messages ready to use, I'm going to switch the view so that we can see the playout control mode. In this case, we're controlling a Pixel Power Clarity graphics device, so I click on the Clarity tab at the top of the screen. Now I can see just the tweets which I selected earlier, but I still have control over which of these tweets I use on air and in which order I use them. If we look at the Clarity graphics output, you can see that when I click on the Send to Air button, the message, the user's profile image and name are all sent to the graphics template, and the page is recalled automatically, so we see the graphic on air straight away. Multiple languages and character sets are supported. Just build the template using a suitable font. You can create the look using all the standard Clarity graphics techniques, including importing elements originally made in After Effects and Photoshop. In this example, you can see the graphic automatically animates off air after around 10 seconds. When that's happened, I can then press the Publish button again to send the next tweet straight to air as well. So now that we've seen how easy it is to put tweets on the air using this system, I'm going to show you a little bit about the power of the search facility. In the search window, I can add multiple different topics on the tabs across the top of the screen. I can search for a hashtag if that's what I enter into the search window, and I can also find all the tweets from a particular user if that's what I'd like to do. I can run any search that can be run on Twitter's own website using all the different search modifiers which Twitter provides. It's easy to rename these tabs so that during a live production I can quickly find the right content. As well as sending tweets to the playout queue like we did earlier, there's also the option to delete a message at this stage. And the third button, which you can see next to each tweet, will delete the message and exclude the user from all future searches. Even after sending a message to the playout queue, you can see there's still the opportunity to remove a message if we no longer wish to use it. Another useful feature at this stage is the ability to edit the tweet to remove content which was in the tweet originally but which you don't want to use on screen. Just double-click in the message and that enables editing. Immediately after you've finished editing the message, it can be sent straight to be played out on air. As well as being used to display in a lower third style graphic that I used earlier, I can change templates by choosing from this list so that, for example, the next tweet will be displayed as a full screen graphic. This example could be displayed on a plasma screen on the set for an anchor or presenter to interact with. And you can see here that there's an animation built into the template to allow a smooth transition between the different messages. This template also happens to include the date and time of the tweet. This is automatically retrieved as part of the search as well. So that's our overview of how Buzz, combined with a Clarity or LogoVision graphics playout device, can quickly deliver social media content to air with the most flexibility in editing and approving the messages, and a user interface which is simple to pick up and use, even for an operator with no previous graphics experience. Most of all, Buzz is quick and easy to install and provides a low-cost, low-risk solution to add social media to your content and involve your audience during live events or productions.